airport now. This is an F-18 jet that's taken off now into the air now. Oh my lord. Oh wow. Well, we're flying on Hawaiian Airlines Boeing 767-300ER. This one is N592HA. There's another one taking off over there. There's another F-18 jet taking off. It's like Tail Terror 2. Where is it? Up there.
PG for passenger.
There's another one over there. Oh, which one's going to beat it? Which one's going to beat it?
That's another one.
Right through there. Straight up.
And then a roll over.
Process. We'd like to remind you that
Boeing 787
must be willing and able to perform certain functions in the likely event of an emergency. If you feel at this time you're unable to perform these functions, please check with the agent at the podium. Also, each ticketed customer is allowed only one hand carry item, which must be able to fit in the overhead compartment or below the seat in front of you. Once again, welcome to the holding our 4 flight 443 with service to Brisbane, Australia. Here at gate number 33, Mahalo.
Yeah, sorry about the interruption to the F-18 fighter jets. We're flying to Brisbane airport now. Is our plane there? Is our plane there? Yeah. We're flying to Brisbane airport today. Hawaiian Airlines there, Bombardier planes just coming into land. So yeah, very nice. Yeah.